Hello everyone, welcome to our new lesson, Transforming Words. Write an equation and solve each of the following questions. Be sure to define what your variable stands for. Write an equation and show all steps to solve. And be sure to include and give the final answer in a sentence format. Okay, let's go. Question number 1. David is twice as old as Richard. The sum of Richard's age and David's age is 81. How old is Richard? Let's say R is Richard's age. Let's also write David's age in terms of R. And the sum of Richard's age and David's age is 81. Okay, let's substitute R for Richard's age and 2R for David's age. Then from here we can combine like terms. R plus 2R means 1R plus 2R, which will be 3R. And then if we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of R, which is 3, then R will be, from here, 27. So Richard is 27 years old. Okay, we're done. Question number 2. The length of a rectangle measures 1 centimeter less than its width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 106 centimeters. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Draw a picture to help you solve. Let's go ahead and draw a picture. There's our rectangle. So let's say W is the width of rectangle, which is in centimeters. Okay, this is our width and this is our length. Okay. Let's write the formula for the perimeter. So we add all the sides up, but since we have two sides as width and then two sides as length, we can actually multiply W with 2 and then W minus 1 also with 2. And then the equation will look like then for the perimeter 2W plus 2 times W minus 1, which is 106 centimeters, right? We don't need to write centimeters. Okay, let's distribute. 2W plus 2W minus 2 will be 106, and then we can combine like terms. 2W plus 2W will give us 4W, and then minus 2 is 106. Let's add 2 to both sides of the equation, and then 4W will be 108, and let's isolate W by dividing both sides of the equation by 4, and then from here W will be 27. Then we can evaluate the expression W minus 1 by substituting 27 for W. And then from here, the length will be 26 centimeters. Okay, let's write our answer in complete sentence form. The length is 26 centimeters. and the width is 27 centimeters. Okay, done. Let's move on to the next question. We have another rectangle question. The length of a rectangle measures 2 more centimeters than its width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 28 centimeters. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. We're going to draw again a picture to help us solve it. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, and W stands for the width of the rectangle. Again, in centimeters. And then the length is 2 more centimeters than its width. So the shorter side will be then W, and then the longer side will be W plus 2. Using the same idea from the previous question, the perimeter is, since we have 2 short sides and 2 long sides, we can either add them all together or we can write in this form. 2W plus 2 times W plus 2, which is 28 centimeters. And then distribute 2 over W and 2. And let's combine like terms. We will have 4W plus 4. And then subtract constant from both sides. And then let's divide both sides of the equation with the coefficient 4. And then W will be 6 from here. Then, since we're looking for the dimensions of the rectangle, we can say the width is 6 centimeters, but the length is W plus 2. If we substitute 6 for W, it's going to be 6 plus 2, which is going to be 8. So then, let's write the length is 8 centimeters and the width is 6 centimeters. Next question. James is twice as old as Nate. Jasmine is 4 years younger than Nate. The sum of their ages is 52. How old is each person? For this question, we are going to assign our variable to one person, and then we will build other people's ages based on that one person's variable. Let's check the question. As you can see, James' age is based on Nate, and then Jasmine's age is based on also Nate. So Nate is the person that we will use for the variable. Let's say N is the age of Nate. Okay, then Jasmine's age will be, since Jasmine is 4 years younger than Nate, it is going to be N minus 4. And then James' age will be, since he is twice as old as Nate, 2N. Okay, are we good so far? Okay, let's go ahead and write an equation for their sum. So we are going to write Nate's age plus Jasmine's age plus James' age all together, which will be equal to 52. So 2N plus n minus 4 plus n will be 52. So this is James' age, this is Jasmine's age, and this one is Nate's age. Okay, let's combine like terms. We have 2n, we have 1n, and we have another 1n. So total we have 4n, and then we have constant 4, negative 4, and then we're going to continue solving or following steps from two-step equations. Let's add constant to both sides of the equation. 4n equals 56. Then let's divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of n, which is 4. Then from here, Nate's age will be 14. We need to find age of each person. Then we can plug in this n. For Jasmine's age, it would be 14 minus 4, which is 10. For James' age, it would be 2 times 14, which is 28. Then let's write down our complete sentence. Nate is 14 years old. Done. James is 28 years old. And then finally, Jasmine is 10 years old. Next question. Lauren has $5 more than Christina. Together they have $47. How much money does each of them have? For this question, let's call K for Christina's amount of money. Our unit is dollars. And then Lauren's money will be K plus 5. Together they have $47. Then K plus 5 is 47. So this K is for Christina, and this K plus 5 is for Lauren. Okay, let's go ahead and combine like terms. We have K and we have also other K, so together we have 2K plus 5 is 47. And let's solve this for K. Let's divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of K, and then K is 21. Then if K is 21, K plus 5 will be 21 plus 5, which is 26. Okay, now we're ready to write our complete sentence answer. Christina has $21 and Lauren has $26. Done.